Sadie, I just ate a peanut butter and jelly. Watch this. She doesn't like it. This is the first thing that you've never not eaten, Sadie. No, I'm not food. This is food. You don't like it? You don't like jelly and peanut butter? But you beg all the time? And you don't even want to eat what I'm giving you? No? Sadie's gonna be driving me to the lake today. You ready to go? You gotta start it.
Go with y'all.
You gotta start it, Sadie. Are you gonna start it? No? Oh, you tired of me now? You don't want to have to be next to me? Oh, she turned away. Look at that. Look at that. Look how dirty this water is. We're actually at the lake today. We're not at the ranch anymore. We're gonna do some fishing. But last night it actually flooded really bad and the water is super dirty. Like I've never seen this lake this dirty. But we're gonna see if it helps out the fishing or it makes it worse. And the water level is actually a lot higher than it's been. Look at the dock here. We've got a couple inches from the top of the dock. So the water level is a lot higher. The water's super dirty. And Blake up here with us. And we've been starting a little late. The sun's already up high. But ever since I came up here, I think the altitude has made me super sleepy. So I've been kind of sleeping in. Other than that, we're gonna get to fishing here and see how these conditions affect what we're doing, and hopefully go catch some bass. Finally got my GoPro on. I didn't have a hook set. It's decent. Oh my god! Oh my goodness, dude. This was right in the middle of the lake, just blind cast. Oh, I know there's logs, but he's under the boat. He is monstrous. He's barely on there. Dirty water bass fishing, dude. Please just stay on there. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! He's huge!
He hooked him on the side and then it came out and hooked him on the roof of the mouth.
Dude, that is a cold water, dirty water bass. Like that is giant.
About a 4.5 pounder.
This guy's body is just huge. I forgot how big these fish were. Winter bass fishing right here in the murk. And it's been freaking cold lately. That is super cool.
It's bigger than I thought.
How big?
She's 5, a little over 5.
Woo!
She was ready.
Oh, I'm cramping. My butt's cramping. Damn, dude. We've been out here for like 10 minutes just casting.
I mean, I have to put a chartreuse on.
Chartreuse crankbait just did the job on the stumps, but I didn't even see the stumps. It's all so dirty.
In front of me, I know. I can't fish. They don't actually.
I'm pumped, dude. I'm pumped. Yes. This is the secret lure right here, chartreuse crankbait. I think it goes about 5 feet, but I'm not sure. Oh, I hope not. Oh, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Dead gum turtles everywhere in here. Like humans are overpopulated. Are you kidding? Nothing hit that?
It's not. They're down deep, I think. It's just staying too high.
Well, my crankbait's not very deep either. I think it's just all about the water depth.
Make sure right head it is. See his head poking out?
Where?
In the bottom.
That's a nutria rat right there. What's up, nutria rat? He moved. Yeah. He's going back in there.
Yeah,
this is deep. This is some depth right here. Look at those depths. No, these bass are just vegan. I think we need like a leaf lure, like for a leaf presentation for all the vegan bass. I think they're really gonna like that. It's the new wave, boy. Blake's gonna start flipping with the old creature.
Spin rod.
Yay, yay. And we got a damn tree back here I gotta get out because we ran into that frickin' thing. Gee whiz. I know you bass want to see what it's like outside of the water. I'll give you 2 minutes out of the water and I'll put you right back. Timber! What do you guys think? You think there's a big bull red in this channel right here? I think there might be, but I need the secret silver spoon or gold. Dude, this guy is chasing us still. Your girlfriend ain't that hot. Nobody wants her, dude. Look at this damn dude. He's jealous and we're running away from his ugly girlfriend. He thinks that we're going to her, but we ain't. We're running for a reason, man. She stink, bro.
That's where I caught my biggest fish in this lake. Okay, there's one.
Big fish. Ooh, buddy. You just said that's where you caught your biggest bass ever.
Yeah, it's big too.
Let me reel up. Ooh, at the tank.
Gosh damn, dude. Big old winter fish there.
Pick that thing up. Put it up here. That's a freaking toad.
Giant. Winter bass.
Let's weigh this puppy. Let's see who wins.
I got you.
Who is gonna win on big bass today?
I
But
knew that freaking crawfish.
both of our bass were pretty freaking big. Let's see.
She's right at 6.
Juicy. That's a juicy guy.
Thick fish.
Gee, 6-pound bass.
A striped king menace bug. That's what it's called.
Tight out here. Oh! Little, oh!
Hey, Bray, you did the worst. That's what not to do with a crankbait. Damn.
My drag was too loose. I blame it on the drag. Tell me that wasn't a perfect cast. What did I say, boy? Oh, legends never die, my friend. Woo, baby. That's what's up, boys. That's a cold, cold bass right there. Little guy, but he cranked that crankbait right under that tree there. This is my bite number 3, bass number 2 right there. Good little dude. Right up on this tree. I called it, perfect cast. Proved the perfect fish. Woo, baby. Let's let him go.
On the branch. Good one.
Ah. Oh yeah, we're starting to hit them now, boys.
They're all stacked in the deep.
Oh yeah. Oh. Blake is 1 for 2. I'm 2 for 3. This has never happened. Maybe once or twice, but we're doing good. I gotta get fishing again, so let's go.
There's gotta be a couple ambushing on the edge.
Watch this flip right there. Boom.
I told you. What'd I tell you?
You're a funny guy, my friend.
I told you.
Dude, that's a pickerel, baby.
There you go.
Yeehaw, we got us an old pick on the crank. Baby. Look at that guy. Golly. Picky roll. They look like northern pike, but they ain't. They're the southern fish.
I love how you just reel them in. Been shot by my bow before. Came off.
I wasn't expecting that. We just fished this spot. We got the pike on the pick and roll. And it looks like, oh, he's trying to spit her. You're a spitter, ain't you? I don't want to get the teeth in there. Well, let's get a quick. Yeah, he has been shot. Look at this.
Yep, he pulled out.
Blake shot him before. But pretty good picker roll on the chartreuse. Well, pike number 2. Let's let her go. You only know you love her when you let her go. That bank proved fire. We got some picker rolls. They like the old cranky bait. 1 lure fishing challenge. Well, the hat cam is dying. It's on 1%, so all other fish caught are going to be on the hand cam. Like I was saying, I probably won't get to fight. The GoPro just died on me, so I don't have much time to talk. Caught me another good old largie here. The hat camera died, so... Oh! Bro, do you see him just sitting there?
We both reached for it.
He was like a shark. He was just sitting there upside down, like
About to switch to
unable to move. That's funny. In the dirt out here. But yeah, I don't have my hat cam, so I'm just gonna have to keep doing this. Unless I keep this rolling, but we're on like 50. I don't know. We'll see. Gee whiz. Alright, you done? You barely fall. I keep reeling him in before we get the camera on him. But isn't it funny? As soon as my hat camera dies, I start catching bass. Ah, brother. It's a little guy. But he hit the old crankbait, baby. Yeah, let's go. Let's let him go. Ah. As soon as it died, dude, I just start hooking up. This is good old mid-afternoon, late afternoon bite out here. We still got the swan harassing us. It's fun though. I've used 1 lure all day, little crankbait, and it's doing pretty well. However, there's some logs, deep logs that we could be. Blake's he caught the big 6-pounder on a creature bait that sank. So there's probably a few more bass that we could have caught if we had sinking lures, but the crankbait overall has done pretty dang good. So I think I'm gonna stick with it. The chartreuse, I think, is the key today. Oh! He's still on. He's just. Oh. That was definitely a fish. Because sometimes they actually run at you, so you can't tell if they're actually still on.
I gave you the only chartreuse one I had, so I get credit for all this too.
You do, because you rig all my stuff. I don't have any bass gear. Blake does all my stuff. I just bring the jetty rod. Alright, y'all have seen the footage. Now, do y'all think this is the secret winter, I don't know, dirty water bass fishing lure? It is chartreuse, so that's why we're using chartreuse, because the water is dirty. So do y'all think this is the secret lure? If you don't think this is the best winter lure, let me know down below what you think is the best or your favorite winter bass lure. Okay, Blake likes drop shot for clear water, but what about dirty water? Let me know what your favorite clear water and dirty water. I'm sure we're gonna get a lot of mixed answers, but just send it.
What I was snagged.
Blake just set the hook, baby. Just watch the other line.
I was sitting there trying to get it off the snag, and then it pulled back. I was lazy with that one.
I know,
I didn't even know. I was trying to knock it off. I thought it was on the branch.
That's a good one. Yeah, I think we've been out here so freaking long, dude. I got so lazy. Like, at this point, I'm just casting into nothingness and reeling.
We're probably pretty sunburned.
Yeah, but I mean, honestly, what we're doing right now is just looking at these deer up the hill. There's a couple bucks that have been running up and down chasing does, and it's pretty cool. Dude, I'm tired. That sun's got me beat. I think we're gonna call it.
Yep.
We are signing out. Dude, are your cheeks hungry? Because they're eating them shorts, bro. Oh my goodness. Yeet.